Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Zooper tutorial for beginners. Manage field service and workforce with ease. Now first, what is Zooper? Zooper is a modern field service management platform that helps businesses schedule jobs, dispatch workers, manage work orders, track time, and communicate with field team. All from one unified platform. It's ideal for service businesses like plumbing, HVAC, cleaning, electrical, and maintenance teams. Now first, on getting started on Zooper. Go to zooper.co and sign up for a free trial if you want, or log in if you have an account. Now log into your dashboard on desktop or use the Zooper mobile app for Android and iOS. Now set up your company profile. Go to settings, then go to organization profile. Add your logo, your address, and your business hours. Now configure time zones, currencies, and user roles. Now add your team members. To add them, first you need to do is navigate to team and then go to users. Add fields like technicians, dispatchers, or admins, and then assign roles. After that, enable location tracking for live updates from the fields. Now to create and manage jobs. First is on creating a new job. Click Jobs, then go to New Job. Add customer details, job description, scheduled time, assigned technician. Now for job statuses, track job progress with stages like scheduled, in progress, completed, or cancelled. Now for dispatching and scheduling. Use the calendar view or Gantt chart to schedule jobs. Drag and drop jobs to assign them to technicians. And then enable automatic technician assignment based on skill, availability, and location. Now use the mobile app. Field technicians can view job details, clock in or out, capture photos and signatures, mark tasks as complete, and communicate via in-app chat. Now, to manage work orders, go to Work Orders to create, update, and view history, and then attach documents, codes, or checklists. Add materials used and time spent for accurate billing. Now for invoicing and payments. Generate invoices automatically from jobs or work orders. Sync with accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero. And then accept payment via Stripe, Razorpay, or offline methods. Now for analytics and reports. Go to reports for dashboards on job completion rates, technician productivity, customer satisfaction, and revenue metrics. For integrations, Zooper integrates with CRM like Salesforce, Zoho. Then for accounting, QuickBooks and Xero. For messaging, Twilio and WhatsApp. And for maps, Google Maps for route optimization. Now, some final tip is, first, automate notifications to keep customers informed. Next, use templates for faster job creation. And lastly, set up SLA rules to meet service commitments. And that's basically it.